Hey guys, this is Hans Hobbies, and this is a quick overview and unboxing video of this limited edition Gundam base exclusive real grade Sinanju. You can see straight off the bat, you can see the Gundam base badge there. I got this in Korea when I went to visit family. And there is a Gundam base there in Yongsan, and that's where I picked this guy up for around $40 US, but equivalent of that, which I thought was a pretty good deal considering how I probably wouldn't be able to find one of these in the States very easily, at least. And if I could, it probably would be very expensive, seeing how it's an exclusive figure. So you can see all the details here. So what is special about this version is, as you can see, it comes with this exclusive Gundam base like stand, though it doesn't look like it actually like has any pegs or anything. It's just a plate you stand it on. And then the finish on the Sinanju is also, instead of the regular gloss, is a very like metallic gloss. This side, I'm sorry I can't really rotate it very far because of my setup, but those two side panels are the same except for the Gundam base badging on it, and it just shows off what the Gundam base is on this side. The bottom is just a regular black real grade box. So you can see it's already been cut open with the Gundam base seals have been cut open. But I'll open it up and I'll go through the parts, though I won't go through all of them, just because it's the same as any other regular Sinanju figure, real grade kit. So I'll just kind of quickly show you those. So here's a couple parts. It looks like E, G, some of the inner frame parts. Looks like some of those pre-assembled real grade parts right here. Let's see. Some of this like metallic part, I don't know if this is, I don't have a regular Sinanju, so I can't tell you for sure, but if you have one, you can tell me in the comments. So this one looks like a pretty like metallic molding. That's pretty nice. There's another part. All the parts seem to have a slight metallic sheen to it. So it might be possible that all of the parts are metallic molded, not just the armor part. Again, you can let me know in the comments if you have a regular one. Here's all the effect parts. That famous brilliant gold that's on the Sinanju. I wish they would include this sheen of gold with more kits, because this is what you want when you see gold. You don't want to see that crap. And then finally, we have the metallic armor pieces. So that is a very, very gorgeous color. I can't wait to build this. It's gonna be gorgeous when I'm finished with it. The only thing I'm concerned about is how the nubs are gonna look. I hope a lot of these are not very noticeable nubs, or at least undergated or something. But yeah, I don't know if it shows up in camera, especially through the plastic. But it looks very nice. So here's the shield part. I'll take one of these out of the bag so you can see that plastic a little close up. I don't know if they'll show up really on camera, but don't know if you don't try. Get this part out of here. So here it is. getting my greasy fingerprints all over it. So in person, it definitely looks absolutely gorgeous. Sinanju is also just a very cool kit to begin with. Very cool mobile suit, probably one of my favorites. But I am a Xeon loyalist, so there might be a slight bias there. The other exclusive part is this Gundam base, essentially. I think it's funny that it comes on its own sprue, even though it's this one huge part. It's not very special. The blue plastic's just like blue, like navy blue plastic we've seen before on Gunpla kits. The bottom of it is just like that. My phone seemed to have died in the middle of that, which is unfortunate. But as I was saying, the base is just a regular navy blue plastic. It's nothing that special about it, otherwise, except being an exclusive part and saying Gundam base on it. More than the base, I think the metallic red finish is what makes this kit special. It comes with this bit of paperwork. It looks like it's just telling you that it includes this additional sprue in the bag and in the box, and that's basically it. And then just other, assembly notes. And as for the manual, there's nothing special. There's no Gundam base marking or anything. It's just the standard manual. So yep. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry about this ending part here, but sometimes stuff happens. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to getting into building this kit. It's just gonna be gorgeous. I know it already. I've seen my friend's regular Sinanju real grade, and that was gorgeous by itself. But with the metallic red, I think it's gonna look amazing. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Comment any thoughts, etc. So, yep. I'll see you guys later.